Villagers of Tairenpokpi who are currently taking refuge at Tairenpokpi Kulen relief camp are mostly likely to return to their original homes within this week. Officials of District Administration Imphal West, led by DC Mayanglambam Rajkumar, MSP DCL Health, PHED and the villagers along with security forces visited at the village today and took stock of the situation there. During the visit, the villagers cleaned up their respective homes and surroundings as the preparation to shift there. Speaking in this regard, DC Rajkumar asserted that the measure is being taken up to ensure that the villagers of Tairenpokpi are resettled in their original homes within this week as the first phase of resettlement plan. He added that 75,000 rupees will be initially provided to each and every household in the village through direct transfer to their bank accounts for repairing their homes. Continuing that the benefits given to the IDPs in the relief camps will be still entertained even after shifting to their respective homes, the DC assured that the benefits of several governmental schemes like PMYA will also be provided to them for rehabilitation. He also informed that staffs of MSP DCL and government departments have started taking up relevant works to ensure that the villages are access to power supply and other basic amenities in their homes.
Public sing nasu moju meeting pham meharaga koi isagi keno da han lasi haibagi khongthang ji lorpa matam da koi nasu district administration nasu masida pangba yaba tawba yaba haktheng na isamak sida lai haraga tabak ton thorangai gi ngasi jo koi sengbasu hore adagi district administration site gi su koi napi sing bi songjil le ko chale mayam ji da kapthokpa khotokpa district administration adagi health ki team PHD gi singi mai gi adamaina plop lagminare haraga moida koina pigada support sing je koi tanaminabani financial support other government support sing pire haraga punna khong thangminanaba madugi step to launanaba yengchen balaksabani adana sigi week sigi manungda dum positive outcome ma dum tholaknaba gi podama dum uba phangadra in khalli
isi masak laga deni mai makha taba deni lamsang ochi department ge to pasai ki mayam laga koi siri je kuta tawrame disi masan haira mes maina yum amamangi 75000 piraga yum chenjalaga handaki wisida yum jida chango aduga koi hana dirita lei kana phangba khudong chaba moina support tawba rasan kai gra do adu jidum chang nai na koi makha ta na adum pithani hek yum do khongjale na koi ka oi kho loina dimain haibirami disi masana akoina haining baje 75000 je khatana di akoi gi soi ba yum je semjam badi yam wana thogadra di khale government na sidagi khara hakot laning koi di akoi gi yum jinga chilakani rang tharakani adai di sahi ani lang tho thamama yum ma du koi hek changaga lei bhai je yaroi ba semjan chajan do bugi chajan chajan do ba nga tane do chi do sa tai ba akoi je akoi isagi iranai oi je doira sarkar na condish lobi ga dara chi jo ai khangjaning ba security je koi na haiba je mathak ta akoi ga moi ga taina ba border je chira thambiu haba security je ro security hana thamama matung no koi hongjan jage haibine ba security daitana koi na hana hongjala le bi di akoi ju ki je haba